Hi. What is DNS? Domain Name Server. And again, why do we need it for IP camera systems? It's a little bit similar, the reason for that is similar to the one for ports. Domain name DNS, which is domain name servers, are the kind of internet's phone book. So it's a list of addresses of domain names. How it works? When you so basically, each domain associated with domain name is associated with the IP address, and the domain name servers they hold they keep those they keep record of that. So when you go on your computer and you browse and you go to Google site or Yahoo or whatever, you remember the domain name, you type the domain name, but your computer doesn't care about domain name. When you type the domain name, computer connects to the DNS server and finds the IP address for that domain. The best the best domain name servers would be Google or OpenDNS. Google is probably the fastest. It's basically 2 IP addresses where those servers are, and there are some other ones as well. Now, so again, why a CCTV engineer should know about DNS? Because external services like HiConnect store IP of your DVR and VR and are accessed via web address, domain name. So your DVR must be able to connect to them. So if your DVR and VR, if you have stored just domain name in it for that service, it must also know where the DNS servers are, so it can go can go to that IP address. The reason for DNS servers is because although your domain may be still the same, like google.com for instance, but the IP addresses often change. So you type the domain name, or DVR will send information to the domain name, but because of the DNS servers, either your browser or the DVR will know the current IP address of the domain, and basically that's what it is. That's the DNS is. It stores the information where the domain is, the IP address, current IP address, and that's why we need it for the NVRs and DVRs. Thank you.